Welcome to the first ever episode of SchoolCK. This is a new series that I'm starting where I teach people the stuff that school never taught them, the stuff that's really important in life. And what better way to start than I let y'all know who I am. So if you're new to the channel, this episode really is not educational at all. So if that's what you're looking for, this ain't what this is. The future episodes are going to be educational, but this is kind of just an introduction as to who I am and my story basically, and why y'all should actually listen to me. Because I'm gonna be honest, I'm 21, and as soon as a lot of people hear that, they just don't want to take advice from a 21-year-old because they probably think I'm just up here yapping, just trying to get views. But genuinely, I know what I'm talking about, and I'm about to tell y'all why I know what I'm talking about, why I'm credible, and why I think you guys should listen to me. So I got two main topics to talk about today: my financial story and my emotional story, and how these have helped change my life just in the last 2-3 years. And I'm not gonna make either of these stories really long. I'm just giving y'all an overview of who I am. So real quick, my name is Chase. I'm gonna be y'all's teacher, so welcome to my class. So we'll start off here with my financial story. So we'll go back to when I was 18. I had just graduated high school and I got my first ever job in a nursing home, serving dining room tables, serving the residents food. And this job was paying me like $15 an hour. So I worked that for about 6-7 months until I was 19. And then I finally got my first, I would say, real job, which had potential to turn into a career, where I was making about $19 an hour. This was working in a factory, doing factory work like steel manufacturing and all that. If y'all know, in manufacturing, they lay people off a lot. So I had the chance to basically take a furlough, which is volunteering to get laid off. I did that, went and got my CDL, and now I have my current job, which I'm making good money. I'm gonna be honest, I won't give an exact number just because that's just how I was raised. So I'm not gonna give y'all an exact number of my current job, but it is a lot more than what I was making. I went from being laid off at 19 and 20 years old and having no money because I had just purchased a car and it left me with about $1,000 in my bank account, to now at 21 years old having saved $50,000 plus. I don't know if y'all could read over here in my goals, but I wanna save my first 100K. Almost at 53K. I got 52 wrote down, but I'm almost at 53. So we're 50K plus right now. So we're over halfway to that first hundo. But yeah, that's my financial story. So when I talk to y'all in these future episodes about taking a risk, how to save money, how to make more money, just know I'm not just yapping up here, not just spitting BS. Like, I genuinely have done these things that have honestly changed my financial life. Now I'm gonna talk real quick about my emotional story. So on my 21st birthday, I got broken up with. I was dating this girl for like almost 7 years. So, it sucked initially, but it took me a couple months to realize that breakup was probably what was best for me. It showed me my weaknesses, showed me what I needed to improve on as a person. And in the last, I would say, 3 or 4 months, honestly, since I started posting on YouTube, I've become a much better person, and it's really all thanks to that. Like I got wrote down here, I was literally a heartbroken bum, okay, with basically no reason for any type of girl to like me. I was just lucky, and now I'm the best version of myself. And I'm the best version of myself that I've ever been right now, but I'm not the best version of myself because I'm always gonna keep trying to improve, which is what I constantly tell people to do. So when I'm sitting here talking about motivation, talking about going through a heartbreak, talking about losing somebody, all of that, I've been through all of that, you know what I'm saying? So I know what it feels like to do that. I know how to bounce back from it. So just know I'm not just up here, just rapping to y'all. Like, I'm being genuine because I want everybody to succeed. So that's my financial story and my emotional story. And I mentioned it earlier, but we're gonna real quick just go over my goals because I got a couple main goals that I wrote down. I actually just got this whiteboard just for SchoolCK. So like and subscribe because it's costing me like $20. So I need that money back. So my goals, I would say first is 1,000 subscribers. I want to get this YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers because that's when I can start to get monetized, maybe start making a little money off YouTube. So like and subscribe again so y'all can help me reach that goal. Second, I want to get my first 100,000. I'm over halfway there. Thank the Lord. We're gonna get there soon. I already know it. But yeah, those are just some of my personal goals. Comment down below if y'all got any goals because I'm curious to know. And yeah, that's just a little bit about me. That's who I am. Like I said, my name's Chase. Now, like I said, I want to see everybody succeed. So that is why I'm starting this series called SchoolCK. That's just my initials. But if y'all got any video ideas, comment them down below, stuff that y'all want to learn. And yeah, I just appreciate everybody for coming to the video. I appreciate y'all for watching it through. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace out.